Overwhelmed by money? Not sure where your paycheck actually goes? It's time to stop guessing and start seeing the full picture. Financial freedom doesn't come from motivation. It comes from knowing your numbers. Most people don't have a spending plan, don't know exactly what they owe, and don't have a system for tracking progress. That's what keeps Get Better with Money a vague goal instead of a real plan. The Financial Freedom Command Center is a full toolkit built to organize your money, tackle debt, and turn "I need to figure out my finances" into an actual step-by-step plan. Imagine finally knowing where every dollar goes, watching your debt balances shrink because you're following a real payoff plan, not just hoping, having an emergency fund building in the background instead of a source of constant stress. This packet helps you see exactly where your money is going, build a realistic monthly spending plan, organize and prioritize your debts, then track payoff progress, build an emergency savings fund, set and work toward real financial goals, create your own personal financial freedom plan. Perfect whether you're overwhelmed by debt, just starting to budget, or trying to get your whole household's finances organized. Plus, right now you get 2 bonus toolkits included free. Real Estate Note Investing Kit, value $499. Credit Repair Kit, value $499. You don't need to have it all figured out today. You just need to start. Get the Financial Freedom Command Center now. Start organizing your money, paying down debt, and building your plan for financial freedom. Plus, claim both free bonus kits before this offer ends.